This is exactly why they call credit repair scammers. Let's go.
Use this to remove anything off your credit.
Hmm.
Let's go. First
Gonna
thing we're
be
gonna do is we're
juicy.
gonna go to this website right here
Oh, identity
and get
theft.
our affidavit. Fill out your FTC report so that way you can get your
Let's,
affidavit, right?
let's start out
After
with
you finish
fraud
this, the
right
next
out the
thing we're
gate.
gonna do is you're gonna use this exact letter right here. You're gonna fill out your
That
information, plug all your
UCC code,
information in, right? Use this
USC
exact
code,
letter and use all
USC
the
code.
laws in this letter, right?
All the
Take
laws
this letter,
from someone
take your
that's not a
FTC
consumer law attorney.
affidavit,
Oh,
take your dispute letter that we created that you used from the
we're gonna go to
template
the
that I gave you
CFPB,
before the last slide. We're
file a
gonna go to the
complaint.
CFPB and we're gonna submit that letter, that affidavit, along with our ID, our social, and proof of address, and watch the magic happen.
And watch you
Let's
commit fraud.
go. And that's how you get anything deleted off your
Oh,
report.
anything.
Let's work.
Anything. You'll get anything deleted from your credit report. I'm not going to say you're a scammer, but what does this tell us? Let's go to the next one. The next one is the interesting one.
Okay.
Score sucks. Don't worry. I got you. We can get rid of
He's got
all the
us.
negatives on your file, whether that's a late payment, bankruptcy,
you
repossession, child support. All of those things are going to hold you back. So wouldn't it be nice to completely wipe them from your record?
Wipe them
We can
all away.
also completely eliminate student loan debts, medical bills, and
Student
massive
loan
credit
debt
card
eliminate?
What?
all of that is unsecured. And I know that may
Those
sound a
follow
little
you
bit
for
crazy,
life
but once you
dead.
understand how these entities report to the bureaus, it will all make sense. Your overall credit score is comprised of payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new
obvious.
credit, and types of credit used. In order to put you in a position where we can build that credit score to get you to a 750 plus, we first need to sweep the negatives and eliminate all that bad debt. And if all this sounds interesting to you, drop a comment down below this video. I'll give you more information and I'll show you case studies of clients that we've taken from zero to hero.
Of course. I mean, why would you want to tell anybody how to do it in the video? Instead, we want you to reach out to us so we can help you. I mean, it's basically a commercial right out the gate. Let's go to the next one. That one wasn't a...
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Best credit repair hack
Yes.
in the world.
Right.
Yes.
Here's what
Let's
you
go.
do.
This is an Instagram reel right here, Eric.
Okay.
Here's the best credit repair hack in the world.
Really?
You go and you pull your credit report. You can use one of them free sites, free credit report, whatever it is.
Annual
Get yourself
credit-
a credit report.
Annual credit report.
Go through that
Dot
thing.
com?
Start looking through it, and then find where you owe some stuff,
Okay.
and then pay that shit.
Bro, stop, man. You have me on the edge of my seat here, man. Like, that's it. That's all he gave us, man. Ah, that was clickbait 1000. Let's go. Let's go to the... Yo, this is interesting. If you got any other specific credit videos, credit repair videos, any type of video, credit card videos, I would love to do some credit card videos. Drop them in the comment section. You can drop a link in this video and I'll add it to my next little reaction video here that I do.
As whatever you do, just get off of Credit Karma.
Where do you go to get an accurate reporting of your credit?
My Score IQ or Identity IQ are
He's been
two, in
watching
my
my
opinion, the
videos.
best platforms in the credit world because they give you the most in-depth, detailed breakdown of your entire report from A to Z, and it's actually
Bro, I
really
know you
easy
be
to read.
following
They have
me,
all
bro.
three bureaus. It's color-coded. They give you all of your personal information.
Jeez,
Myself, my clients, my
who's
family
his
members, my
barber,
loved
bro?
ones, they all use My Score IQ or Identity IQ. So that's what I recommend.
My Score IQ. My Score IQ is one of my favorite places. Link is always in the description for the My Score IQ for $1 and a 7-day trial to see all your FICO scores that the lenders are going to see. So he was spot on with that. I ain't mad at that. New money talks. Let's go over to our next winner. Let's go.
Collection agencies. Once your debt has been sold to a debt collector, that means the original creditor no longer owes that debt, which means you no longer owe that
Oh,
debt. The original
stop.
contract you signed is now over.
No,
Now,
it's
if you are
not.
trying to get those negative accounts off your credit, move the smarter way and go with the debt deletion at the 1% Club. Click the link
The
and I will show you
1%
exactly
Club.
how to do that.
The 1% of people that actually pay you to do this, like, Like, there's nothing in this video. Do not pay collections because you do not owe it anymore. I've proved that that's not true. So yeah, that's a winner chicken dinner right there. Yo, this is really funny. This next one is a previous one. Money Talks. He's on one right now. So let's see what else he's got to say, Mr. Money Talks.
Stop calling me. Under the law, you have to stop calling me. You can't harass me anymore. You can't text me. You can't come to my job. Did you know that they have to stop doing that?
Really?
One of my clients, his name is Jomar. He texted me yesterday.
About it completely.
They called his job. He works at FedEx.
They can call your job.
He has the collections. I'm fixing his
They
credit.
can't talk about the debt, but they can call your job looking for you.
Did you know that that's illegal?
But they cannot talk
if you
about
tell
the debt.
them one time, stop calling me, and by the way, they can't call you.
Yeah, if you
outside
do
of the
tell them
hours of
stop
8
calling
a.m.
you,
and 8
they
p.m.
can.
By the way, if they call you at 8:01 p.m. or 7:59 a.m., they can get sued for that. They come off scary. I'm a big monster. I'm this tough guy. Most of the time, the activities they're practicing are actually illegal under the federal law.
This is bullshit.
See, the thing about these guys is like, you know, I get what they're trying to do, but at the same time, you need to give all the information. Like, that's why I packed so much information in a 1-minute video. People have no idea what to do. Like, oh my God, it was just too much. Like, these guys just like, they give you just the bare minimum to keep you watching. It's just, come on, give me something real. Give me all the sauce. Last part is the most important. Don't just give me the pizza and then, where's the sauce? I can't make a pizza without sauce unless you're just one of those people that don't like sauce on your pizza.
To fix your credit because you're ready to buy your house, a car, or start that business, I got you. What you're going to do is pull all 3 credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. Once you have your credit reports, you're going to be looking for the things on the screen. And once you have all those things collected, you're going to write your dispute letter. This is an example dispute letter that we use for our clients. So be sure to take a screenshot of this and fill it out with your information. Once you have your dispute letter written out, you're going to
come on, sis.
File your dispute with all 3 credit reporting agencies. You're going to upload your letter and submit. Also, be sure to mail out your letter as well. If you have accounts on your credit report that's not yours, be sure to report it on this website.
CFPB is not a dispute site. It is a complaint site. The CFPB is the middleman. So you go from the credit bureaus to the middleman, then to you. The CFPB is a middleman where you file a complaint. There's not even an option that says dispute. It says file a complaint. So it's like, come on, sis, you lost us. You lost us on that one.
I'll show you guys how to clean your credit report for the free. We're going to start off with annualcreditreport.com.
We like free.
Pull all 3 credit reports from all 3 credit reporting agencies for free. Again, you could do this once a week.
Let's go
until they stop it. Once you pull all 3 credit reports, you're going to
it's the same letter.
Highlight the erroneous, inaccurate, and fraudulent accounts, and also take note of the names and addresses that they have for you that's not correct. Take a screenshot of this, then
everybody has a screenshot.
Theft.gov, report the inaccurate names and addresses.
Come on, man.
Try to pull your credit.
Not identity theft. You can't see report identity theft is on the screen.
So go report it. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to the CFPB, which is CFPB.gov, and you're going to submit a complaint. You're going to add the letter, which you screenshotted, and your identity theft report. File a complaint for all 3 credit reporting agencies. And the bonus, you can also mail all of these as well.
Duh. You're filing a complaint and you're going to dispute at the same time. Make it make sense how that's going to actually work. It doesn't work like that. You file a dispute, and then if something goes wrong, they're not doing their job properly, then you can file a complaint. But you don't file an actual complaint with the CFPB and then send the dispute letter out at the same time. That doesn't even make any sense. But like, it's like, where are you getting this stuff from?
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to knock off any collections on your credit report without using any physical dispute letters using the Experian app. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to credit at the bottom, and then you'll press view your report. We're just going to get super lazy. And then you will press the account tab.
This limits the reasons of how you can dispute.
There you'll go to the collections tab.
Well, at least she redacted all the information.
Scroll down to the bottom and press dispute account.
Dispute account,
and you will press start a new dispute.
Okay.
And you will find the red potentially negative tab. And you will click on that, and then you will start a dispute.
See, as you can see right here, these are all the reasons.
Not mine
or it's not mine.
Account. and then you'll scroll down to the add a
This is still
comment
commit fraud.
section. Now,
Oh,
this is the most
here
important
we
part.
go.
Pause the video and copy and paste
let's just pause it. This is this ridiculous estoppel, okay, claim. This is actually not even a real case. Like, this is something that somebody created and put together, and it's circulated all over the interwebs, but it's not actually an actual case that is being quoted. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Everything the exact way that I've written it in the comment
exact
box.
way she's written it.
Don't change any words, just copy and paste it. And then from there, you'll press next, and then you will submit your dispute.
Okay.
And from there, you should get a dispute submitted form with a check mark.
All right,
and from
basic.
there, I'm showing you guys that I submitted the claim at 4:33 p.m. And by 6:16 p.m. that same day, it cleared. And here I'm showing you guys how my credit score went up 96 points in less than 2 hours.
Oh, destiny. Come on, we know it doesn't just happen like that. If it was that simple, everybody would use this one code and everything would be wiped away. But unfortunately, that's not how it works. Let's go to our final winner here. Winner, chicken dinner.
Reasons why your credit repair is not working and what to do about it. Number one, you're sending template letters that the bureaus are used to. You need to send Metro 2 letters that they're not familiar with, so get those on my page. Number two, you're not freezing your secondary bureaus. If you want to get results, you have to freeze your sub bureaus.
Listen, okay, hold on.
Go to the pin video.
He said freeze the sub bureaus. There's no sub bureaus. They're all credit reporting agencies. They all have a different responsibility and what type of data and what type of reporting they're doing. So they're not sub bureaus. It clearly states on LexisNexis, CoreLogic, Innovis, SageStream, all of them clearly state if you freeze them, it does not stop them from communicating with collections or negative accounts that are on your credit report. It literally shows it. I made a video literally debunking this whole thing that this guy just said. But so make sure that this is why credit repair is not working for you, because you're not freezing the sub bureaus. Let's proceed.
On my page to see why you want to do that and how to do it. Number three reason why your credit repair is not working is because you're giving up way too early. Be persistent with it. If you get a verification or a non-response, do 6, 7, or 8 rounds before you think about giving up. I've seen a lot of people get verified items, no response, and then 3-4 months later they get the deletion, score goes up 100 points, everybody's happy. If you guys want to learn more about how to optimize your credit,
goes up 100
click
points.
that follow, and I will see you soon.
Just nobody's gonna know exactly how your score moves or if an item is going to be deleted. So when you make that claim that your score is going to go up, 100 points or any type of claims that you can delete anything, that's automatically this person is just fishing for your money. There's not real legitimate credit repair. Anybody that's legitimately doing credit repair is not going to make any promise or guarantee. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's the first reaction video of more to come of credit repair gurus, credit repair videos. Anything on credit, if it's a travel video, credit cards, if you have the link, drop it in the comments and I can add it to the next reaction video that we're going to do, talking about these different crazy topics that you see all over the interwebs because they are everywhere. So I hope you enjoyed this video, but remember, anything else specific, drop it in the comments section and make sure you watch the next 2 videos because those are recommended by YouTube. And don't forget, subscribe to increase your credit score.